Good morning, Savers. It's about 4:45. Beautiful, 59 degrees. It's only supposed to get to about 65 today, so pretty moderate. And I'm guessing pretty cloudy today, so it's going to be a beautiful day. Thanks so much for joining me and the rest of us on our morning walks. I'm so happy to see your face this morning. It's midweek. I'm kind of embracing that winter. I don't know that we'll have a fall necessarily, so I'm kind of embracing. I'm thinking about skiing, thinking about all the fun things that we can do this winter as well. So the savored thought theme this week is self-discipline. So the quote for the day is by Abraham Joshua Heshell. Self-respect is the fruit of discipline. The sense of dignity grows with the ability to say no to oneself. Oh my goodness. Abraham, you are wise, wise, wise. I don't know who you are, but thank you for that. Oh, I think the self-discipline has kind of got a bad rap. That means, not giving in to yourself. That means not treating yourself. That means, whatever it means. But I think the self-respect that comes from being able to say, not now. I don't have to treat you. I don't have to reward you. I think so much time in this culture now it's about treating yourself and being good to yourself. And there's definitely a lot of components to that. But I think it's a bit of building value by setting goals and earning something. One of the things for waking up 4:30 every day, or most days during the week at least, it's a little later on the weekend, is that I'm building self-discipline. I'm giving myself time to edit videos and do things that don't take away from my time with family. So the reward is seeing this habit being built and seeing this self-discipline being built that is helping me accomplish some of the many goals and the many things that I want to do during the week. But enough about me. This is about you. This channel is all about, I want to hear your thoughts. How often do we get asked, what do you think? And actually somebody's going to listen to you. Not very often. It's usually about work. It's like, here, do this, do that, get this done, hurry about this. And I really just want to have people, and myself included, I'm notorious at this, taking some time, just creating awareness around, man, today's a great day. Am I enjoying it? Am I, here right now? Or am I thinking about horrible things that happened in the past that I can't change, and the things that I can't control in the future? So much time is spent there that it robs us of our now. Love to hear your thoughts. If you're new to the channel, join us every morning for the walk, and just starting the day thoughtful around how we want to create. Let's see if our new guest is moving around here. Oh, there she is. I don't know why I keep saying it's a she. I don't know that, but she's very pink.
In the house. He's pretty good about that.
Yeah. There's the
He's really
kids.
good with the
There's
potty
the
thing.
kids.
I'm telling you, wait,
Yeah,
she's not very good with the potty.
Yeah.
I have potty pads, and she pees in that room, but she doesn't pee on the potty pad.
You just pee where?
Let's talk about it. Easy peasy, simple dinner. So tonight, Tanya's out horseback riding, so I usually will make something that I can kind of prepare, and if I'm hungry, I'll eat ahead of time. But this is essentially sausage, so Italian sausage. And so I'm going to saute the sausage. While the sausage is sauteing, I'm going to break down the cauliflower into smaller pieces, and then saute and steam that once the sausage is completed. So super simple, a little salt, and I love my Italian blend of spices, and I'm thinking it should take about 20 minutes because we're going to be doing one thing while we're doing a second thing and then wrapping it up all together. So I'll put a timer on it and see where we land here. If you've never broken down a head of cauliflower before, it can be kind of intimidating. One way to do it is just cut it down the middle and then break it down. I like doing it this way because I don't know if I'm going to use, for two of us, a whole head of cauliflower. A lot of cauliflower. You can probably hear the sausages sizzling in the background. There's probably 1,000 ways to break this down, but essentially you're just kind of pulling off tree stalk by tree stalk. And then you'll cut it down into smaller pieces. And then once the sausage is wrapping up, we'll put all those pieces in the same pan as the sausage. And then add a little water and steam it. That's probably enough. So I'm just going to do one of these. So there's kind of one tree. Take it in, cut it into pieces. So that's kind of a decent sized piece. Some of them may be a little big, so just keep cutting them down until you're comfortable. Or you can just kind of go for the bigger branches, like this. Italian sausages are sizzling away. They're probably about half cooked. And so at this point, I'm going to add the cauliflower to the pan, and then about maybe a cup of water, and then put a lid on it, and that will steam it. The sausages will continue cooking, and they're brown on the other side to add a little flavor. So I'm going to put these to the edge. Put these in the middle. Ooh, that might be a little full. Turn up the heat a little bit and watch the fireworks go. Let me grab the lid. And as you can see, we're coming up on 8 minutes. Should probably take about 3 to 5 minutes for that to steam. The sausages will finish up. Then we will finish with a little salt and pepper, a little olive oil, and Italian seasoning. Easy peasy. What a wonderful meal. Italian sausage and Italian cauliflower. Took about 19 minutes, and probably 7 of that was steaming. So you could have been doing something else during this time. My hope is in all these recipes, it saves you time and energy, to give you back a little time for you and just time to savor. Enjoy.